a great night for playoff hockey in Raleigh.
Alex Killorn whipped it towards the net. First goal of the game belonged to Alex Killorn. Andrei Vasilevskiy, a Vezina Trophy finalist.
He's the best in the league, best in the world. It's not a surprise.
It's incredible the way he moves.
Natchez, he missed it.
They don't need a pretty goal, they just want any goal.
Cirelli trying to find it in the skates. He does. Cirelli darting in with the backhand. He scores! Anthony Cirelli.
Vasilevskiy coming up huge again. He's had 31 saves so far, and some of the biggest ones coming here in this 6-on-5 opportunity.
And the Tampa Bay Lightning will head home with a 2-0 series lead.